Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous tutorial, we learned how to insert, update and delete a record from a table. In this tutorial, we are going to use alter, truncate and drop command in MySQL workbench. Let's assume that you want to change a name of existing column in your table to something your desired name, right? So we're gonna see how you can use alter table command to perform your desired action. The syntax is pretty simple. You just specify the command alter table followed with the table name, and then you just say rename column, your existing column, to your desired name. Let's say I want to change the column name director to a name movie maker. But before I run this command, I just want to select the schema. And for that, I'm just gonna use this use schema command. Let me run this before. Okay. Now I'm gonna run this alter table command so that the name of a column gets updated to this movie maker. All right. Let's see how it looks in our table. All right. So you can see previously it was director and now it is named as movie maker. This is how you can use alter table command to change a name of a column to your desired name. And then now we're gonna see how you can add another column into your table. Let's say like I have these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns, and I want to add another column which shows or which displays the rating of each movie. So we can also use or we can also add this column using the alter table command. So for instead of using the rename column, we say add column rating and also specify the data type of that column. Let's run this command and see how it reflects. All right, let's run this select all command. Okay, so we have this new column named rating, and obviously this column is empty right now because we have not entered any data in it, right? And you can insert data in this particular column using same command, which is insert into particular table, right? So moving on with the next command, which is truncate command. And what it does, it will delete every record from your table and it will basically empty your table. But it will not delete or drop your table. Your table will still be exist in your schema. So you would have the all the columns in your table remain as it is, but it will be empty. So you won't have any data in it, just like you just have created a new table. All right, so let's run this truncate command, and it's pretty simple. You just say truncate table and specify the table on which that you want to use this command, and it will just delete all the record from your table. Let me pin this and let's run this. All right, let's see, do we have any record or not in our table. Select all from schema name rental business dot movies. As I mentioned before, that your table would still be exist, but there won't be any records. See, it's just like you just have created a new table. Okay, so moving on with the next command, which is the drop command. And as the name suggests, it will drop your table. You won't have a table in a schema after you have just ran the drop command. All right, so to is pretty simple as well. Just you say drop table and specify the table name. Okay, So we just gonna specify the table name, movies. Let's run this, and you would observe that currently we have this table movies, and once I run this command, this movie table would not be here. See, the table has been dropped. So if I select all from this table, it would say this table does not exist. Alright, so we're gonna wrap up this session here. That's all for today. See you in the next.